We reviewed Honda's TRX250X a couple of years back and really appreciated the sporty little machine for its affordability, reliability, and fun it provides for riders of all skill levels. Out of the box, the Honda feels peppy. Its 229cc air-cooled 4-stroke engine pulls well off the low end and up into the mid-range, before signing off pretty quickly on top. As the most common performance upgrade, we couldn't help but wonder what a good performance exhaust system could do for our Honda. And with the original TRX250EX dating back to the turn of the century, we know there are a lot of other 250 owners out there who are wondering the same thing. We installed a Performance Series exhaust system from HMF on our 250X. Made in the USA, HMF offers the Performance Series exhaust as a full system only for the 250. It's constructed of corrosion-resistant stainless steel with a 4-inch 6063 T6 aluminum silencer shell. The silencer features a 2 1/8-inch core with a special hole pattern designed to increase horsepower evenly throughout the RPM range. The exhaust comes with the United States Forestry Service approved spark arrestor, along with HMF's removable quiet core insert. The Performance Series exhaust is said to increase sound output by 4 to 6 decibels, with the quiet core insert knocking sound back down 2 to 4 decibels. HMF's Performance Series exhaust offers lots of options when it comes to appearance. The silencer can be ordered in brushed aluminum or in different powder coat color options. There are different end caps, also available in different colors. HMF's blackout option coats the entire exhaust in an extreme temperature-resistant black ceramic finish. We ordered our exhaust with their Euro-style end cap and black ceramic coating. A custom silencer color can be added to the blackout option at no additional charge. We were thrilled with our exhaust's appearance, and you can order yours to match your taste or your machine. The exhaust bolted up perfectly with no drama, and it knocks a few pounds off the machine. HMF recommends a 100 main jet to complement their exhaust. Their jet kit comes with a 100, 105, and 110 main jets. Wanting to ditch the airbox lid for improved intake flow, we installed the largest 110 main jet to start, which proved to be a good choice. HMF claims that their exhaust provides somewhat modest gains, between 10 and 15% horsepower. However, the dyno doesn't tell you everything about how that power is delivered. Riding the X, we felt the difference in performance was a bit more impressive than HMF's claims had led us to expect. There's a detectable increase in throttle response. When you crack the gas, the engine feels a little more responsive and willing to build RPMs. We noticed an occasional pop when rolling off the gas, a sign that the pilot jet, which controls fuel delivery at lower RPMs, could stand to be a bit larger. If you ride in colder weather, going up a size or two on the pilot jet is highly recommended. For warmer weather, HMF's jet kit is sufficient. Low-end power felt as strong as stock, with plenty of grunt to get you rolling or crawl up some pretty steep inclines. Mid-range power seemed stronger than stock powering out of corners, but the best gains came in opening up the top end. Racing down long straight sections of trail, we found ourselves bouncing off the rev limiter and upshifting a while after the stock X would have fallen off. There's added performance available across a much wider RPM range. The deep throaty sound adds to the fun sport ATV experience, without being annoyingly loud on long rides. While it won't turn your 250 into a 450, the HMF Performance Series exhaust definitely helps up the fun factor on the Honda 250X and EX. After a half dozen rides, the entire exhaust system, including the head pipe, look virtually as good as new, with a brushed finished full system retailing for $349.95. HMF's Performance Series exhaust is nearly identically priced to the FMF Power Core Force slip-on, and $100 to $200 less than other full system options on the market. blacked out with its red silencer shell for $449.95. Our exhaust featured a custom look to match our machine, and still costs less than some off-the-shelf exhausts. When you can actually feel the performance gains of an aftermarket exhaust, you feel like you got your money's worth. When your exhaust leaves you with enough money in your pocket to go riding, that's even better. Obviously, we're very happy with the HMF Performance Series exhaust for the Honda TRX250X and 250EX. For more information on HMF's Performance Series exhaust for the Honda TRX250X and EX, log on to hmfracing.com.